Hello, this is System Software and Compiler Lab experimenting output. The concept for this experiment is intermediate code generation. The compiler process can be divided into many phases. One such phase is the intermediate code generation. The function of the intermediate code generator is to fetch the given program, a set of arguments, and to scan it from left to right, and to frame new statements such that it performs only one operation at a time, like arithmetic operations, logical operations, or relational operations, etc. Intermediate code generator, it is of two types. One is the pass tree, and another one form is the three address code. Now let us go to our program. Initially I have imported the necessary header files over here. Have declared a character array and named as precedence with these values. And also I have declared an integer, that is a function named as check process. I'm passing a string value inside it. Inside the function, I'm just creating a character called TOK, and for that I'm getting the value which is present in the T array at the position of 0. So to get the position, I'm using the caret function over here. Okay. In the for loop, I'm just checking if the variable if it is lesser than the precedence length. Then inside the for loop, I'm just going with an if condition. In the if condition, I'm just checking that if this TOK, if it is equal to the precedence array's value, which is the value at the ith position. Then if it is equal, I'm just returning the value of precedence at ith position, and if not, if the condition fails, I'm just returning minus 1. Okay. In the main function, I'm just declaring a character named as token and a boolean function named as check process. And also I'm declaring a two-dimensional string array that is named as operators. I'm giving the size for it as 10 and 2. That is, row size as 10 and column size as 2. Using the buffered reader, I'm just getting the input from the user, that is the expression value from the user, and I'm just storing it in the variable called expr. And I'm getting the length of the expression value inputted from the user, and I'm storing it in the variable called check process. In the for loop, I'm just checking the condition that if the value is lesser than the length that is present in the check process, then I'm just giving the value false to the value present in the check process of ith position. And in this for loop, I'm just checking that if the value of I is lesser than the expression's length, then I'm going with this token. This token is getting the value which is present in the position of I, that is present in the expression which is entered by the user. After this, in this for loop, I'm just checking whether if the I value is greater than or equal to 0, and I'm using double for loops since it is a two-dimensional array. In the next condition, I'm checking that if the j's value is lesser than I, and inside the for loop, I'm just going with an if condition. If the value of operator at the position j of j and in the column value 0 if it is greater than the check process operator arrays value at the row value of j plus 1 and column value of 0. Then I'm just swapping the values at the values j and 0 of operators with the values at j plus 1 and 0 of the operators. I'm using a temporary variable called tenv for the swapping process. Similarly, I'm doing the swapping process over here also. Okay, over here I'm just checking the for loop. I'm using a for loop to check whether if, the value of x is lesser than the op count value, and inside the for loop I'm just checking with the if condition that if the value at the j plus 2 position is equal to the value at value of the operator's array's value at the position rows position as x and column position as 1. If it is equal, then I'm just going with the statement that is I'm just going with the value at t plus the x plus 1th position value, and I'm just storing all these things in the variable called op2. Now let us see the output for this. For this I'm just entering the value as a star open bracket b plus c plus b. First it is splitting the value of that is the first precedence goes for the multiplication operator, so it is stored in a variable called t1. After that it does the b plus 1 that b plus c the calculation which is present in the braces, so it is placed in the variable called t2, and for t3 it does the addition of t2 plus d. Thank you.